Welcome to Module 1 of our Power BI training course, From Puny to Peerless. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced Power BI user, helping you harness the full potential of the software. This course will equip you with the necessary skills. Let's dive into the world of Power BI and begin our journey. In this course, our goal is to take learners from novice to Power BI expert, capable of designing enterprise-level data solutions. This course will provide deep knowledge of DAX, data modeling, and advanced visualization techniques. It will cover real-world scenarios like messy datasets, report automation, data security, and Power BI service integration for large organizations. The course will enable learners to master Power BI Premium, data flows, Power Automate, and deployment pipelines. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid grasp of Power BI and its real-world applications. Throughout this module, we will cover essential topics to help you set up your Power BI environment. First, we'll discuss what Power BI is and how it works. Then, we'll explore why Power BI is important. Finally, we'll wrap up with real-world examples, key takeaways, and a practice exercise to reinforce your learning. Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft for data visualization, analysis, and reporting. It consists of three main components: Power BI Desktop, a Windows application used to create reports and dashboards; Power BI Service, a cloud-based platform to share and collaborate on reports; Power BI Mobile, a mobile app for accessing reports on the go. Let's look at how it works. You connect Power BI to various data sources. For example, Excel, SQL, Server, APIs. Power BI allows you to transform, visualize, and analyze data using built-in tools like Power Query, data analysis expressions, and interactive dashboards. Reports and dashboards can be published to the Power BI service for sharing and collaboration. Power BI is important as it provides actionable insights through interactive visuals, allowing organizations to make data-driven decisions. Its integration with other Microsoft services. For example, Excel, SharePoint, Azure makes it a key tool for enterprise analytics. Here's an example. A sales manager can create a Power BI dashboard to track monthly sales performance, customer trends, and inventory levels. Power BI Desktop is a free application that you install on your Windows computer to design and develop reports. First, you download Power BI Desktop from the Microsoft Power BI website or Microsoft Store. Then, install and launch the application. Power BI Desktop provides a drag and drop interface to create visuals such as tables, charts, and maps. It is important as it is the starting point for creating reports. Without it, you cannot perform data transformations, design visuals, or create complex dashboards. Let's go through the installation process step by step. First, visit Power BI download page, and then download the latest version for your operating system. Install the application by following the setup instructions. The Power BI ecosystem includes the desktop, service, and mobile components, each serving a different purpose in the BI workflow. For desktop, create reports and transform data locally. For service, publish and share reports in the cloud. Collaborate with colleagues using dashboards and alerts. For mobile, access dashboards on mobile devices for real-time insights. It's important as the ecosystem supports end-to-end analytics, allowing users to collaborate and access insights anytime, anywhere. For example, a data analyst creates a report in Power BI Desktop. They publish the report to the Power BI service. Business users view the report on their mobile devices. Let's look at the Power BI interface. The Power BI interface includes key areas for data management, visualization, and report building. Home ribbon helps with quick access to commonly used actions such as connect to data, publish reports. Data pane displays the data sets connected to the report. Fields pane lists, available fields for analysis and visualization. Report canvas is where you create and arrange visuals. Let's look at how it works. First, use the fields pane to drag data fields onto the report canvas. Then, add visuals like charts, tables, and maps using the visualizations pane. Customize visuals by adjusting properties such as filters, axes, and formatting. Understanding the interface is important as it helps users navigate Power BI efficiently, allowing them to create reports quickly and accurately. Power BI can connect to a wide variety of data sources, including files like Excel, CSV, JSON, XML. Databases like SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Online services like SharePoint, Google Analytics, Azure. To do so, first click Get Data on the home ribbon, then select the data source type, for example, Excel. Then navigate to the file or database and click Load to import the data. Connecting to the right data source is the first step in creating meaningful reports. Power BI's ability to handle multiple data sources makes it a versatile tool for business intelligence. Here's an example of connecting to an Excel file. Let's look at a few real-world examples. In sales, a sales team connects Power BI to an SQL Server database to track daily sales, top-performing products, and regional performance. They create a dashboard with bar charts, tables, and KPI cards. In healthcare, a hospital uses Power BI to analyze patient visit data. They connect to CSV files from different departments to create reports on diagnoses, treatment costs, and visit trends. In logistics, a logistics company connects Power BI to shipment tracking data stored in Azure. They create a map visualization to monitor delivery routes and shipment statuses. Here are some key takeaways from this module. First, Power BI consists of desktop, service, and mobile components, providing a complete BI solution. The Power BI interface includes tools for data transformation, visualization, and report building. Connecting to data sources allows users to import and analyze data from multiple platforms. Real-world applications include sales dashboards, healthcare analytics, and logistics monitoring. Let's reinforce what we've learned with a hands-on exercise. Download and connect to the e-commerce product sales dataset provided. Create a bar chart showing total sales by product. Add a table that displays the top 10 customers by total order amount. Here are the solution steps. Follow these steps to connect Power BI to the dataset. Follow these steps to create a bar chart. Follow these steps to add a table. That brings us to the end of Module 1. You've successfully taken your first steps into Power BI. Remember, mastering Power BI is a journey, and every step you take will bring you closer to becoming proficient. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next module as we continue our Power BI adventure. You've got this.